G'day, it's Warren here, NQ Explorers. I've been asked to do a bit of a demo today on a metal detector, a Garrett metal detector for Garrett, Australia. Just to try to illustrate the relevance of these machines in our environments that we metal detect in. This machine here is the EuroACE. It's the international version of the ACE 350, which is marketed in the United States. The EuroACE is different in a few ways. You've got a few more notches of discrimination. We've got metric depths, obviously, which we use, and we've just got a ferrous and non-ferrous on the top of the notches there, rather than the United States coin designations. So what I've got here, I just want to demonstrate a few targets that you're typically going to find in Australian conditions. And the other thing about this machine is it comes with it's a fixed ground balance machine, but it comes with a double D coil, which is much better at mineralised ground, which you might encounter anywhere in Australia, but particularly in places like this. Is an old ghost town. And typical items that you're going to hit in these places, or if you're coin or relic hunting, or if you're in modern parks, one thing's a $2 coin. That's my high tone item. I've got a piece of aluminium foil, a little bit of chewing gum wrapper, which would be illustrated just the same by a ring pull off a soft drink tin, and an iron nail. And now the thing about the machine is you get two types of feedback on the ACE machines. You get an audio feedback and you get a video feedback, a visual feedback on the notches. So you could see on the display, you'll see where on the display conductivity wise the target falls, from ferrous right up to non-ferrous. You'll get your high-end stuff like your silver on the non-ferrous, and then you get your low iron rubbish in the bottom. And you get an audio, there's three audio responses. There's a low tone for the ferrous items, like the nails and so things like that. There's a mid-tone for your foil and your ring pull sort of stuff. And then a coin bell tone for your coins and your high conductive targets, which could be badges and buckles and all that sort of thing. So we'll just do a little audio check to give you an idea what these three items sound like. These are representative of the conductivity you're going to find in the three different audio tones that you'll pick on the machine. But like I said earlier, you're going to get a visual display of your target and a depth, of course. But so there's two bits of input coming back to you from the machine. There's audio and there's a video input that you can check to see if it's worth digging that target. Okay, this is the first target. We're right down in the bottom end of the ferrous range, which is the left-hand side of the display screen. It's a low tone. It's an iron nail. Also note that double D coil, the sweet spot's like a blade running down the centre. The target response is in the centre of that coil, running up and down. So that's the low tone, and on the screen here I'm getting a notch lighting up on the extreme left-hand side of the display, which is the ferrous area. Next item we'll put down is the piece of aluminium foil, which would just as easily be a pull tab, which you're going to find in parks. The parks are full of them. And this one will come up with a mid-tone. And here that's a slightly higher tone than the iron. It's clearly not iron. And the notch I'm getting is in the division between ferrous and non-ferrous. And you can see that on the display. So I'm getting two types of feedback from the machine here. I'm getting the audio feedback and I'm getting a visual display on the screen. So the next item we'll put down is a $2 coin. This will produce a coin bell tone. Any of the Australian decimal coins and the pre-decimal coins will give you a bell tone because they're all highly conductive, even the 50% threepences. So this is a high conductive non-ferrous bell tone, which as you can hear is higher than the medium tone that you were getting on the borderline ferrous non-ferrous where the aluminium foil fell in. So they're the three audio tones, and when I'm getting that hit on that coin there, the cursor's on the extreme right hand side of the display, so you're getting, once again, you get two types of feedback. You get an audio and a video feedback. So that was just a little run through on the audio and video responses that you get from the EuroACE on typical targets that you'll find in Australia. This machine can be as simple as you like. If you're just starting out in the hobby, it's a switch on and go machine, and it's factory preset modes where you can work with the factory presets, and that audio and that visual feedback you get there will assist you to find targets. You don't have to know how it works or the technology of the machine. It's all there, and it's very simple to use. And this machine, you can grow with the machine, because as you get more advanced with your coin and relic hunting, this thing allows, you can change your modes, you can adjust your notch discriminations, you can notch targets out, you can look for specific targets on certain notches. There's a lot you can do. This machine, because it comes standard with that double D coil, it's perfect for Australian conditions. Typically you get the mineralised soil in Australia where concentric coils can suffer a bit and you get a lot of false signals. Double D will just punch through that, no problems at all. And this is great because you can even find gold with this machine.